How's it going, everybody? This is Fastlane Fixer. And so, as you've probably seen by the title, I got a new go-kart. So, here it is. There's the roll cage for it. Just needs to be put on. There's some fenders. And this is a brand new tire. These were the original front tires, but they're pretty good. But he couldn't figure out how to keep air in them. So I got these. But since these are so thin, I think I'm gonna see if I can get these to hold air and swap those over. And it has a practically brand new 7 horsepower engine. It's a Duramax, which, if you know what a Predator is pretty similar to a Predator. Got a really nice seat. Doesn't look very used at all, so, but it doesn't run, so I'm gonna see if I can figure out what's wrong with it. I'm gonna get it in the shop, and yeah, let's see what I can do. Okay guys, so I got it in the shop. So first off, I think I'm gonna see if I can get it running. The gas doesn't quite look right, the wrong color, so I'm gonna drain the gas, put some other gas in it, and see if that does anything. And yeah, we'll see what happens then. I'm just gonna be using this can of Pringles thing. I cut it off so it's a little shorter so I can fit it in there better. Air filter looks good. Yellow. I don't think it's supposed to be yellow. We're gonna go ahead and get the carburetor off, because might as well. See how clean it is. Okay, so guys, it's really yellow gas. I don't know if you can really see how it's yellow. So my first guess is that it's just bad gas. So I'm gonna finish draining this out, put some good gas in it, and see if it fires. Okay guys, so I got the bowl off. It's not too bad, it's pretty bad, but not, I mean, I can still use it. And the jet looks really dirty in there, so I'm gonna get that out, clean it, and I'm still draining the gas, so I'm gonna clean that out. Wow, that's tight. Okay guys, so I tried to get the jet out of here, but it was just in there so tight, it ended up getting really gnarled up. So this carburetor's shot because it's got a bunch of little chips of metal in there now. So can't use that, but I have another used carburetor. So I don't know if it'll quite work right, but so I'm gonna put it on there and see if it'll work. I got the gas all drained. I'm gonna put a little more gas in it, and yeah, we'll see if it runs. There we go. Okay, so I got the air filter on, got the carburetor on, got new gas in it. Turn the gas on. It's on. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can start it. Okay guys, so I got it running. So I'm done with the engine for now. Seems to work pretty fine. Since we got it running, I'm gonna take it for a test drive because the brakes work fine. So yeah, I'm gonna get all this stuff off of it and then we'll see how it rides. When I came out of the shop right over here, did a real nice burnout. Right along there. But this chain was a little sketchy and the clutch needs to be popped back on or bolted on better, and the chain popped off, so I'm gonna get that fixed. Okay guys, so as you saw in that little video, I blew up the clutch trying to do a burnout. So here's the carnage. These are the springs, and they're not supposed to be near that wide. They're supposed to be a little more like this. So I'm gonna, yeah, about like that. So I'm gonna tap these back together and put it back on there, see if I can get it to work again, because it goes together right like that, and then it stretches apart and grabs on the edges of these, on the edge of that. So I'm gonna see if I can get that back together, and then we'll see if it works. And why that happened is because when I tighten it down, when I put the bolt in to hold it on the crankshaft, I didn't use the impact to tighten it down, so it came loose, and when it came loose, it popped off and it flew apart. So I'm gonna try to get this back together, and then we'll see if it works. Okay guys, so you probably don't know how to put a clutch back together. So you just take these springs and this, and these just slide right on there, just like that. See if I can get all these on. Like that. And then these go right there. But it's like super loose, so it's too wide. So I just take a hammer, tap it down a little bit. Whoop, that might be too far. And then these springs just slide right on there, but I did it too far. So I'm gonna put all these on, and then yeah, we'll see if it works. Okay, got it all back together. So that's what it'll look like. And then this just goes like that, and then it goes on the engine. So this time I'm gonna make sure I tighten it down with an impact. So I'm gonna tighten it down, and then we'll probably see if I can do another burnout. it came off again. Wow, that flew everywhere. There's one all the way over here. It's hot. That's hot. Wow. Okay, yeah. Well, I'm gonna put it back together again. Okay, so my big brother wanted to try, so I'm gonna let him try it. No. Go. Hey, stop it. Stop. Stop it. Stop it. Go the other way, because that tire has to be the one cutting in. What do you think?
I mean, it's on one wheel. Bumpy though.
Well, yeah. Smoke coming off the tire. Nice. Okay guys, so I was gonna put the fenders on, but there's only one that I can find. So I'm gonna put the roll cage on instead. So there it is. I just need to put it all on. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put the roll cage on. Well guys, that has it. So there it is. Got the roll cage on. I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go post it on Facebook Marketplace. Not quite sure how much though yet. I think that's gonna have to do it for today. So hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, greatly appreciate it. So yeah. I'll see you next time.